So hey everyone, welcome back to the SkillSharp, and today we are going to see precedence and associativity of Python operators. So what's exactly precedence and associativity? So first of all, you can see I am taking one example here. This is the expression 6 into 5 minus 4 into 5, right? You might think it will evaluate it as 6 into 5, that is 30, 30 minus 4, that is 26, and 26 into 5, right? This is the thing in usual, but it won't happen in that way. If I run this, you can see it is 18. So why? Why it happens? Because here in these expressions, operations are not performed from left to right. They have specific precedence. Precedence means they have some priority, right? So what the precedence exactly is? So here you can see I have created a definition, or I have copied the definition for precedence from the Google. And you can see to evaluate these types of expression, there is a rule of precedence in Python or other programming language, right? It guides the order in which operators are evaluated or carried out, or the operations are carried out. So let's take another example, and this is 2 plus 3 into 5, right? Oh, okay. Before that, you can see here, this is the precedence table, and it is available in Python documentation, python.org. You can see from it. So here you can see the topmost, that is brackets, they have highest precedence. If any expressions brackets are there, then they are evaluated first. Then you can see there are exclamation marks, await, then there are like some operators we can use like slash, double slash, or floor division, then addition, subtraction, left shift, right shift, etc., etc. And they are arranged in order. So the topmost have the highest priority, right? So this is the basically the precedence. And what is the associativity? Associativity is, you can see there are two types of associations in Python programming language. One is from left to right, and other is from right to left. Our expression 2 plus 3 into 4 slash 5. So we know the multiplication and division, they both are on same level, right? So then which we have to perform first, multiplication or division? So obviously it's multiplication, because you can see whenever we scroll down, you can see multiplication is first and then division is there, right? So here in this expression, now you can see how this expression is going to be evaluated. It's like multiplication is first, then we will evaluate the division or the floor division, and then we will perform the addition and subtraction according to the precedence. Okay, so this equation will be evaluated like 3 into 4, that is 12, 12 divided by 5. Okay, and then it will add, you can see it will add 2 to it, right? So it's a 4.4, right? So I will change the division operator to floor division so we can get integer, and now you can see this operation is performed here. Okay, so this is the precedence and associativity in Python programming language. So for understanding or better understanding purpose, let's take a big example, and in which the like precedence and associations both are there. So we have created this example or expression. Okay, so let's see. This is a in parenthesis 2 plus 2, then into 3, then to the power 4, then floor division by 5 plus 4. Okay, so how this equation will be evaluated? So the answer, final answer is 68, as you can see here. Let's see how it will be evaluated. The first precedence is parenthesis or brackets, right? So here you can see 2 plus 2, and that is going to be 4. Okay, then all things are come down like 4 into 3 to the power 4, then floor division by 5 plus 4. Okay, then we have like multiplication, then exponent, floor division, and addition, right? So the highest precedence goes to exponent. So here we have to do 3 to the power 4. And that's why you can see in the below line 3 to the power 4, that is evaluated, and that is 81. Okay, so now we have symbols of multiplication, floor division, and addition. So multiplication and floor division are on the same precedence, so here association comes. So multiplication sign has higher association and from left to right, right? So first we will perform the multiplication, that is 4 into 81, and that is 324. Okay, then now we have double slash or floor division and addition. So floor division will be first according to precedence. So it comes to 64, and then we will add 4 to it, right? And when we add 4 to it, we will get the 68, and that is our final answer. So in this way, associativity and precedence works in Python programming language or other programming language as well. And if you found this video helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video, and share this video with the more enthusiastic programmers or the new joiners or new beginners in the Python. So we will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.